Whatchamacallit Wednesday!
Hello, I'm Daniel.
And I'm Khanya,
And welcome to Whatchamacallit Wednesdays. So, Growsmarters, today we are in this beautiful sustainable garden.
That's because all of our words today have to do with plants and the environment, and you can find them in one of the Growsmart newspapers.
Correct. So, Khanya, my word for you today is a word that would be used to describe the sustainable items that are harvested from this garden.
That's produce.
Correct.
Produce. Produce is the collective term for agricultural and other natural products. Sustainable produce is good for our bodies and the environment.
Correct. And they are delicious as well.
Even broccoli grown in a garden like this would taste good. So Daniel, my word for you is a place that is indoors where you can grow your own produce.
Greenhouse.
Correct.
Greenhouse. A shade cloth or glass structure in which plants can be grown so that they are protected from weather elements. I harvested some delicious carrots from my greenhouse last week.
Sounds yummy. Now Growsmarters, it's time for today's mystery word. Our mystery word today has to do with air and protecting the earth from harmful sun rays.
Correct. It is impacted by those harmful greenhouse gases, and it begins with an A and ends with an E.
So Growsmarters, if you think you can guess today's mystery word, please comment with the correct spelling, definition and use of the word in a sentence.
And until next week,
Grow happy
grow healthy
and grow smart.